So that's a little bit of a advertisement related to Apple podcast. So yeah, so as Uddara asked me before, so yeah, we both we don't use social media, not in for our personal things, but when it comes to keeping up with the trends, what I do is I follow LinkedIn, and most of the time I think when compared a couple of years back, LinkedIn is kind of they're like keeping up with the trends because there are people who are actually talking about new trends since my professional my practice is sort of going forward into security, and in there they talk about security trends, and also there are trending topics related to something going on in the world, most related to elections and some tech related stuff. But uh, and also I use YouTube to check the trends as well. Recently Udara has introduced me YouTube Studio app. To be honest, I haven't used it recently when he actually introduced to me that, because there's a specific tab for us to see what is trending, and we can actually follow the topics and keep up with the trends what is happening in YouTube as well. And yeah, and sometimes I ask from ChatGPT, GTP, or I ask from Perplexity AI. That's it. And I'm pretty sure, because most of the time, like when we ask about trending and all, if you are going to ask from a AI model, um, to be honest, I haven't received like a really good answer when it comes to trending. I think it's due to my prompt that I had given to the AI, but I'm pretty sure like if I give a really good focused, narrowed down prompt for the ChatGPT or Perplexity AI for to give me some sort of a like a trending topic on it, they will probably give it to me. But up to now, I solely depend on LinkedIn and YouTube. And to be honest, I haven't used X or Twitter in a long, long time. I know Dara, you are like really following Twitter and keeping up with the trends. And for my surprise, now and then, like I get to listen to Sri Lankan news as well. Okay, so I don't listen to it, like I don't sit on the in front of the TV at 7 o'clock in the evening listen to news. But when I travel to work and when I stay at my home, parents they used to watch it, so I get to listen to news. And I think because of that, I'm somehow keeping up with the trends in Sri Lanka, political dramas and everything in Sri Lanka. So yeah, so that's it. How about you, Udar?